The Sinclair Cardsharp. Let's take a look at it. So I got this little device free with some skateboard grip tape that I recently purchased. Let's go ahead and get this out of the packaging here. This is billed as a credit card size knife by the Sinclair company. Let's take a look at the instructions here. Kind of shows you what you can use it for and how this thing unfolds. So there we go. Briefly scan through these, let you take a look, kind of get the idea of how this little knife works. So anyhow, here we go. Let's see if we can get this thing to work. It's got a lock down here at the bottom. As long as you can see the green, it's safely locked. You spin that around, line that up with the blade, and the blade flips out. As you can see, now you flip it over. You bend this side in, then you bend this side over top of it, line up all the pins in these little holes. Everything locks into place. It's actually a lot sturdier than I thought it would be. So there you go. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and undo this and relock it back into its card shape. Simply reverse the process. Spin this lock down here. And there you go. Rather thin. Looks like it would fit in a wallet or something like that, provided you had a wallet that's thick enough for something like this. Made out of rather solid material. I don't know how long these bends will last. The instructions here claim that you can do an infinite number of folds through 180 degrees without the hinge cracking. So I guess that's to be seen. So let's fold this thing back out into a knife again one more time. I'll show you how this works. Spin the little lock, line that up with the blade. We flip the blade out like that. Simply turn it over. Fold the side with the pins first, then fold the side with the holes and lock it into the pins. There you go, everything's lined up, everything locks up nice and tight. You got this extra little pin here that locks the blade straight as well. You got those little serrations across the top as a thumb grip when you're using it to cut something. Claims it's surgical steel. It seems pretty sharp. I'm not going to cut anything with it. I'm not going to cut any paper or anything with it. That would be kind of dumb for me to demonstrate that. It's brand new. Obviously, it's sharp enough to cut paper. Pretty light, pretty flexible, as you can see. Gotta have to get it flattened back out again before I put it in a case or wallet or something like that. Again, the Sinclair Cardsharp, surprisingly a lot sturdier than I thought it would be. Very cool for a little throw-in freebie knife. I'll take it. I'll throw it in a kit someplace, whatever. Don't know if I'll actually use it for cutting grip tape, but it is what it is. I usually just use a razor blade for that. But there we go. I think if you actually purchase these, they go for about 10 bucks a piece. And just in case you're interested, I will throw a link in the description below. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today. Of course, I already made a case for this thing. That is kind of what I do. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, well, there's a couple things you can do for me, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.